everyone, today we are going to start chapter 5, A View from the Top. It is adapted from the book Everest, The Journey to the Top by Bachendri Pal. This is the biography of Bachendri Pal she wrote, and in this chapter, this is a part of that book, and in this chapter we will read about how she experienced on top of the Everest when she climbed the Everest. 8:107 p.m. on 23 May 1984, Bachendri Pal stood on Mount Everest. She was the first Indian woman to climb the highest peak in the world. She says in her book Everest, My Journey to the Top, that it had always been her dream. Here are some excerpts from the book in the form of an interview. Okay, so on 23 May 1984, Bachendri Pal stood on a Mount Everest, means she climbed the Mount Everest, and finally she reached on 23 May 1984 on the top of it at 1:07 p.m. Okay, she was the first Indian woman, first Indian woman to climb the highest peak of the world. She is known as the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. And also she wrote the book Everest, My Journey to the Top. This book is about the experiences of her about the Mount Everest, how she dreamt of climbing the Mount Everest, and how she completed her dream. And these are the some part of that book in the form of interview that we will read now. Interviewer: Congratulations on being the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. How did you feel when you were at the top? Bachendri Pal: I'm extremely fortunate to have climbed Mount Everest. It's a difficult peak to climb, and while you are climbing, you only think of your goal. At the top of there is hardly enough room for two people to stand. There's a vertical drop from thousands of meters around you. So the first thing that you do is to make yourself safe by digging your ice axe into the snow. After that, you look around and see the beauty of the mountains. My first feeling was one of the devotion. I just sank down on my knees in prayers and I kissed the crown of the peak. So after climbing the Mount Everest, she came back to India, and there was an interview going. First of all, the interview congratulated her for becoming the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. She became the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Interviewer congratulated her and asked her that how it feels to be on the top of the Mount Everest. Means when she stood on the peak of the Mount Everest, how she felt there. Answering the interviewer, Bachendri Pal told him that she was very fortunate. She was very lucky that she got the opportunity to climb the Mount Everest, and also that it was very difficult for someone to climb the Mount Everest because slopes were very perpendicular. Means काफ़ी सीधी slopes थी उसकी, and there was hardly room. There was no place on the peak for two people to stand properly there. Means the peak is so small that hardly one people or two people can stand there, because there was also a vertical drop. Means एक सीधी drop भी वहाँ पे थी, बहुत ही that was around thousands of meters around the vertical drop. And also first thing was that they all wanted was to make yourself safe. Means if you will be safe, then you can help somebody, otherwise you cannot help anyone. So she just climbed by digging the ice axe को डिग करते हुए वो स्नो को उसने पार किया. And also after that, when she stand there on the peak, she saw that there was a very beautiful scenery around her. When she saw downwards, there was a very beautiful mountains and beautiful nature around her. She was very happy and she just felt devotion. Devotion means a feeling of spirituality or holiness. She just felt so spiritual there when she was standing there on the top. And also she just sit there on her knees and then kiss the crown of the peak. Means when she was on the top of the peak, she kissed the peak. Interviewer: You said that it was very difficult climb. Could you talk a little more about that? Bachendri Paul: The final climb to the summit was very challenging. The steep frozen slopes were hard to brittle like grass. Every step had to be taken with great care. At that height, the strong winds pick up the powdery snow very easily. At times, you can hardly see anything. It is terrifying to stand straight on a narrow ridge with sheer drop on either side. Once you climb the vertical rock face, it becomes slightly easier because the snow is softer and the slope is not as steep. So interview again asked that she said that the climb was very difficult. So can she explain more about that? How was the climb? How she got to the highest peak? She answered that it was very challenging. It was difficult. Challenging is doing something difficult that tests your abilities. It was very difficult to climb the फाइनल समिट मीन्स जो फाइनल चढ़ाव था वो पार करने के लिए इट वॉज वेरी चैलेंज डिफिकल्ट फॉर दैम द स्टेप फ्रोजन स्लॉप्स आर हार्ड बट ब्रेटल लाइक ग्रास स्टेप मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट परपेंडिकुलर एंड ब्रेटल मीन्स हार्ड बट easily broken. So that the almost perpendicular the slopes are almost perpendicular, काफ़ी सीधी थी. So it was very difficult for them to broke that ice, means to dig the ice axe in that ice, because it was like the glass, it was like glass, so it was hard to dig their eggs there. And also when they was going above, as the height increased, the winds are very powdery. There was snow in the winds that just blocked their eyes, so they did not know see properly what was happening. Their eyesight got blurry, and also it was very terrifying for them to stand on that narrow ridges. The ridges are very narrow, बहुत small थी वो, so it was difficult for them to stand on there with a sheer drop. Sheer drop means a straight fall, क्योंकि वहाँ से if they fall from there, it was a straight fall, means वो नीचे जाके गिरते हैं. So it was very difficult for them to stand there on any side. And also the rock face, the front or outer surface of a rock. So rock face was very vertical, वो काफ़ी सीधे सीधे थे. So it becomes slightly easier for them that because the snow is softer and the slope are not steep. जब वो vertical जा रहे थे तो it was easy for them to go up there. Otherwise it was very difficult from them to stand there or go upwards.